What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be talking about time. But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post any new videos. So now let's get started. Okay, so there are two types of clocks, which are analog clock and digital clock. Analog clock. The numbers on the clock represent the hours. The longest hand on the clock is called the second hand. The small hand on the clock is called the hour hand. The small lines on the clock represent the minutes, and the long hand on the clock is called the minute hand. Digital clock. On the right are the minutes. The column separates the hours from the minutes, and on the left are the hours. There are two ways of telling time, which are 12-hour time and 24-hour time. 12-hour time. The 12-hour clock is a time convention in which the 24 hours of the day are divided into two periods, AM and PM. Each period consists of 12 hours numbered 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 24-hour time. The 24-hour clock is the convention of timekeeping in which the day runs from midnight to midnight and is divided into 24 hours. This is indicated by the hours passed since midnight from 0 to 23. Converting 12-hour time to 24-hour time and 24 to 12. Converting 12-hour time to 24-hour time. To convert 12-hour time to 24-hour time, just add 12 hours to get the 24-hour. For example, if the time is 2:30 p.m., add 12 hours and the result is 14:30. If the time is 2:30 a.m., we will not add 24 hours to it, so it will be the same. Converting 24-hour time to 12-hour time. To convert 24-hour time to 12-hour time, just subtract 12 hours to get the 12-hour. For example, if the time is 18:30, subtract 12 hours and the result is 6:30 p.m. If the time is 6:30 a.m., we will not subtract 12 hours to it because it is less than 12, so it will be the same. Question time. How many types of clocks are there and what are their names? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think. You can also pause the video for extra time. Okay, so the answer is 2 types, analog clock and digital clock. Next question. What do the numbers on the analog clock represent? The numbers on the analog clock represent the hours. What does the column between the minutes and hours do? Okay, so now let's reveal the answer. And the answer is that the column between the minutes and the hours separates them from each other. Okay, so now 10:50 p.m. Convert this time to the 24-hour time. Okay, this is a little bit tricky. But if you concentrated on the last slide, you would get it. Okay, let's see the answer. Okay, the answer is 2050. And of course, we won't mention the PM or the AM. And I said that the PM If it's PM, then we can convert it. But if it's AM, then it'll just stay the same. 8:22 AM. AM. Okay, convert this time to the 24-hour time. 8:22 AM. Focus on the time. Like, is it AM or PM? Focus on it and see if we can convert it or it's not allowed to convert it. Okay. Okay, let's reveal the answer. And the answer is 8:22. Because I said that the AM, if any 12-hour time is AM, then it'll just stay the same. And remember, in the 24-hour time, we do not mention is it AM or PM. Okay, next question. 17:35. Convert this time to the 12-hour time. So we're converting the 24-hour time to the 12-hour time. So remember what's the rule and figure out the question. Okay, let's reveal the answer. And the answer is 5:35 p.m. 5:35 p.m. And we put PM this time because we know that in the AM we cannot convert it to 24 hours. So then logically we will know that it is PM. Now let's have some practice. Okay, and I will send this link on the chat. I will send this link in the description below, so so you guys can practice it. Okay. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.